I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today we're going to make this cool little footstool. This is all made out of reclaimed wood. I'm pretty happy with it. Let's check it out. For the legs of my stool, I'm using some of those reclaimed bed slats that I had, and I've got a stop block set up so I can cut the two back legs. Set up correctly. No, I'll just skim a little off the other one, so whatever. Basically what I'm doing here is I've set a stop block to get the starting cut on the top of the leg, because I need to make some dados for that. So that'll cut that. And I put a stop block here so I get the top cut done on each piece, and then I'll take one, run it through until it fits the stool part, and then I'll put the stop block where the last cut was so they'll both be the same. Funny enough, I went to cut the dados for my bottom legs, and I realized that the way the stop block's set up to get the width of the board, I don't have to change anything at all. Since the bottom part of the footstool and the top part of the footstool are kind of going to be like stair-stepping, you know? That means I need to shave off a little bit of this to make it more narrow, so there, the stool is done. This video's over. Not really. I was just doing a dry fit to see how this is going to look. And I'm pretty happy with it, but I think this top is still too far out, so I'm going to cut it back down a little. Hashtag Taco Bell. I'm ready to begin assembling. I got everything sanded. Just putting glue in all my dados. Whoa. Ew. I've also cut a bunch of dowels, and I'm going to run them in here too. Super simple down. Who says I don't use sand tools? All that's left to do is a final sanding over the whole thing, and then some finish, and y'all saw me sand earlier, so I think y'all would be okay with meeting back with me for the finish. Finish this stool with Danish oil. I'm excited to see how this old growth pine is going to look with some Danish oil on it. There's my reclaimed footstool. I really like the way it came out. These bed slats with this are a pretty good match, and they're both pine, but these bed slats are super old, so they're like almost just stained this really dark color. But it's really cool. It makes me think of something that you'd see in like an old schoolhouse or something.
that's it for this project. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also be sure and subscribe to Means Woodshop too, because I post new woodworking videos every Friday. I sometimes have Means Minis, which are small little projects that are spontaneous videos, and I'm gonna try every Wednesday to do follow-ups on the previous week's project and answer any questions and stuff like that. So lots of stuff coming your way. I'll see you next time.